So most of the times when you work around with a project, chances are that the timeline will not be followed out as planned. And in order to track that down, Microsoft Project gives you tools as well. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the variance view, variance table view. And to do that, you can see that I am in the Gantt chart view right now. So you can go around onto this empty space and right click. So once you go around over here, you can see variance is an option. So if you were to go around and click right here, then you can see that there is start and finish date right here. And there's baseline start and baseline finish, as you can see right here. So let's say what I want right here is I want the baseline start and baseline finish right here to be, let's say, for example, certain date range. So I'm just going to go around and copy and paste this out right here by pressing Control C and Control V. Let me just go around, copy and paste this, and copy and paste these out right here. Let me just go around and then copy these right here, the start date and end date, and paste this out. And over here, you can see that this is the baseline. This is the baseline 1 and 2 right here. You can see that you can set up different baselines as per how you want. So I'm just sticking to the default one. And here you can see that the baseline is represented by the gray color right here. So initially you might have it same. So let's say, for example, I have it same right here. I'm just going to go around and copy paste this out exactly as it is. I'm just going to go around, copy and paste this out right here. So right now it is the same. But as you keep on working, these might change. Let's say, for example, the brainstorming concept itself, let's say, starts from a later date. And now you can go around and see like when this was actually planned and when this actually occurred. So you can go around over here and let's say this started a bit late right here. And let's say this one started a bit, let's say, for example, early. So you can go around and track down whether you are on actual schedule or not, or whether you're delayed out. So you can go around over here and change this out right here. And you can see that it affects out everything right here. Similarly, go around for the shooting and let's just go around over here onto, let's say, the actuality. It goes around just behind right here. And as you go around, you can see that the changes are actually trackable now. So you can see that the gray area is when it was planned, and the blue and the red, whatever you see above right here, the above bar that you see is how it actually happened. And that is how you can go around and then compare out the two values on with the baseline start and baseline finish with actual start and finish as well. And over here on the variation table mode right here, you can see that start variation and finish variation is shown as well. For example, you can see that there's a bit of variation over here from the baseline start and then finish right here. And you can see that this is 3 days right here. That means it happened 3 days after, while you can see that some of them are have been started out earlier as well. And that is how you can go around and then work around with baseline and schedule and see the changes in the scheduled values inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.